We know that the electric pressure washer uses an electric motor to power a pump, which forces water at high pressure through a nozzle or tip, to blast away accumulated grime, on surfaces like desks, driveways and etc. The best electric pressure washer is very essential to clean up your home siding also. While using this electric pressure washer, you should maintain some safety tips. We have picked up top-rated best 7 electric pressure washer. Today's video about top 7 best electric pressure washer. Let's watch this cool informative video, and get your best one on Amazon.com. For more details, please click the description tab. Subscribe this channel, and stay connected. List number 7. Joe SPX3500 2300 PSI. Equipped with a 13-amp motor, SPX3500 packs a super-powered punch generating up to 2300 PSI, and 1.48 GPM of pure cleaning power. Take on tough grease, and oil stains, mildew, caked on mud, and other stubborn gunk and grime. Its utility belt also includes a 20-foot high-pressure hose, 34-inch spray wand for those hard-to-reach messes, a 35-foot GFCI extension cord, to give you room to roam, and easy glide wheels for maximum maneuverability. Included 5 quick connect spray nozzles. Adjustable detergent dial lets you dial in just the right amount of soap. Exclusive and revolutionary total stop system. List number 6. Powerhouse pressure washer, 3000 PSI. This electric pressure washer 3000 PSI and 2.2 GPM, better than a gas pressure washer, because of its quiet motor, which stops when you release the spray gun trigger. Stable design. 4 casters to allow it to roll with you. Lock it in place, or take it off the wheels, and carry it to your project. It will not tip. The hose has 30% more flexibility than our previous model. 5 quick connect spray tips, 0, 15, 25, 40 degree in watering, for car washing, gutters, and heavy-duty hydrojet power washing. This washer has 2 stainless steel lances, 1 proprietary and 1 with 5 tips, and it is universal. It will fit most other attachments. List number 5. PAXCESS pressure washer, 2150 PSI. This electric 2150 PSI electric pressure washer is durable and reliable, designed for the toughest cleaning of patios, decks, driveways, house siding, etc. PAXCESS electric pressure washer gets your dirty work done, and will make your life a whole lot easier. Everything would shine out, and the cleaning task will be done several times faster. Safe to use on most concrete, stone and stucco surfaces. Great for patio furniture, garbage cans, pets cages, lawn mowers, outdoor equipment and much more. List number 4. AR Blue Clean AR 383 1900 PSI. A powerful, durable, and reliable electric pressure washer manufactured by Novi Reverbery. Quickly blast away dirt, mold, muss and grime to reveal a fresh clean look to many outdoor surfaces. Clean cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, ATVs and bicycles in minutes. Use the quick connects to easily your garden hose, included adjustable spray, and turbo lances and the 20-foot high-pressure hose. List number 3. Homdox 3500 PSI electric pressure washer. The pressure washer of Homdox is simple to use, compact, upright design with axle-mounted wheels allows easy roll-away mobility and easy to storage. Great for cleaning decks, patios, house siding, outdoor furniture, and prepping home exteriors for painting. Rated pressure: 2700 PSI. Maximum pressure: 3500 PSI. Flow rate: 2.0 GPM. Maximum flow 2.6 GPM. Maximum inlet water pressure 1 meter PA. Protection type IPX5 water. Temperature 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. List number 2. Realm by 02-BIMK 2600 PSI. Powerful 14.5 amp induction motor generates up to 2600 PSI or 1.75 GPM for maximum cleaning power. 5 quick connect spray tips make incredible cleaning of all types of vehicles, boats, patios, home, siding, driveways, outdoor furniture and more. It easily gets rid of dirt, grime, gunk, oil, rust, sand and other tough spots at the working length from 5.1 foot to 13.6 feet. 800 milliliters detergent tank, energy conservation, environment friendly. And the list number 1. Joe SPX3000 Pressure Washer 2030 PSI. Powerful 14.5 amp and 1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 PSI or 1.76 GPM for maximum cleaning power, and water inlet temperature is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Tackle a variety of cleaning tasks: homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. With two 0.9-liter onboard detergent tanks, removable tanks carry and store different types of detergent to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects. Automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. 5 quick connect spray tips tackle light, medium and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Maximum internal pressure is 2030 psi. Under typical load, working pressure is 1450 psi.